Yes. Siyanamukela kwe-Creative Unplugged podcast. I'm your host, Umhligo, ngila eMovius Media. Sihleli nama-creatives, Unplug, yaphinde yasuka leyo ndaba. Asidlulisa ukubonga-ke bafethu. Thank you very much kubo bonke abantu asebe-subscribe-ile. Ungakhohlwa ukungena lapha ku-YouTube, upress u-like, uye nako-Facebook ubone ukuthi imaphi ama-episode esesiwakhiphile uwavakashele. Kube mnandi nje mfethu, kube cusi, kube bele. Hayi, namhlanje konakele ngiphethe Kwaito Stars, ngiphethe Kwaito Legends, ngiphethe amapantsula. Bafethu, welcome to i-Creative Unplugged podcast.
Hola Mhlikosi.
Enzani umsawawa? Siphethe isikolo. Correct.
Shabuza mfethu.
Hey, mfethu, hayi ngi-right, hey.
Hola.
Hayi ngiyajabula bafethu ukuthi sigcine sikwazile ukuthi sihlangane namhlanje.
Mfethu, yeah.
Nokujabula thina, kujabula thina. Sithi hola lapho.
Sagcina nasishaya umprento, nasishaya ivideo, sishaya music video. Kule track. Lapha uma ungayishaya le track introduction yayo ukuthi i-track ekhuluma ngamatshitshi. I-concept ihamba kanjani?
I-track ikhuluma ngamatshitshi. We decided to make a song amplify i-message yamantombazane ukuthi asiqhubeke siziphatheni kahle amantombazane. Sibuka nje izimo ezenzekayo ukuthi hayi yonakala.
So Emza, uke wafika vele la kwe-Creative Unplugged podcast. Wasilandisa isitori sakho fethu, like your journey from ku-music industry, ungene kanjani yonke. Ngifuna ukuthola nomsawawa la ukuthi uzungena esikhwameni ubani lo wayehlala ehamba nawe that time. Yeah brother, khona nomdidi ohlala uhamba nawe.
No, but siqale back kakhulu ngithola as a dancer, yabona. Yani umsawawa nje was a dancer. And then esayijozi nabovukane nabosimathatha nabo mamboshi, you know. Yeah mfethu safika salinyakazisa igoli, you know. And at that time Zambia had released a song, you know. Said no siyahamba sejozi sifuna ukumgcwalisela lo mfana lo mncane ufala nathi. And then sanyuka sayijozi and then konke waqala lapho nje mfethu.
Khona lengomeni ishaya noMzambia kambe ibithini?
We released a song 2017. Imoto kaShukela.
Ngiyibona le 2017 leyoqala ngqa before
ebongakanani emaslaleza semkhumba abele ngoma eyiphoko leyo le bevusa abadala emathuneni
mfethu una 7 lapha and you still in school. How was that experience nje ukuthi uncane and manje usula ku TV ku TV screen ipressure nje ukufuna kuyo perform? How was that experience?
No mfethu, it was very hard for me because Ubaba was very strict, Ubaba Dlamini, you know. So ubengafuni nje ukuthi ngejozi, you know. So uOscar Mlangeni beno Nimrod Nkosi had to fly down ukuthi bazokhuluma naye, you know, ukuthi no le ntwana manje siyayithatha sifuna ukuyisayina, you know, but nje ubengafuni ukuthi ngejozi, you know. But ke bamotivate ukuthi ejozi bengejozi isikole ngizoqhubeka naso, you know. And they did that, you know. File ejozi bangifaka esikoleni ngashaya music, you know. And they always made sure ukuthi even kuthiwa mhlawumbe kunama mhlawumbe 4 gigs, but homework benza sure ukuthi ngiyayenza. Uyabona mfethu. So nje mfethu nabo a pick up kubona uMlangeni beno Nimrod ukuthi ngithi ngimncane, you know, ngisuka leSkomplazi bakwazi ukubona italent yangithola.
So ukathi unayi Grootman yakhoma ngithi mina ama legend nayi legend kanti sathi sihleli nawe wathi hey abanye abantu abaqala igame esasibukela kubona umsawawa bephuma esikhwameni kanje. How was that? Do you feel like there was an inspiration around iKwaito nabo Mzambia coming up umsawawa?
Even the reason why I see that today is because I strongly believe what music is about inspiration. So into yang inspire ngiqala umbona umsawawa besejozi ngihlele eclubini ngibukele i-show and then ngiphezulu iclub yakhona phezulu ngibukele stage lapho ngena uvukani phethe isikhwama esikhulu yabo angimazi umsawawa at the time. Ngafika lo mshilo ushiya isikhwama lapha phakathi stage bese qhamuka u-size 5 we all star encane ngapha
phuma isikhwama
phezulu at that time I'm like, what is happening? Inspiration. So bang inspired at that time. And I say to myself, hey, ngiyafisa ukuspanana out.
Oh, nice,
at some point. Ngazi na ukuthi out saseDurban kanti out saseThekwini sazokwazana kahle. So later on, like 10 years, 20 years later, because that was years ago.
Uyayizwa leminyaka. Asikugile kodwa.
Hayi, wena umncane kakhulu. Hey, what an experience.
Sishiyana ngonyaka, by the way.
Onishiyana ngonyaka?
Ngabuza ubani omncane kodwa sishiyana ngonyaka.
Ubufishane lo benza ukuthi kube
phela sindawo
but ususebenza nabantu abaningi bra music industry. Monga highlights abayifew nje usho ukuthi Mhliko la, I was so blessed and fortunate ukuthi ngakwazi ukuthi ngibambe ithambo lalo muntu ngisebenzisane naye. Lapho
no nje mina phethu the one person nje bethe ngisho ukuthi uNkulunkulu wangibusisa is to be with uNelson Mandela.
Oh nice.
Yeah.
Wamnithi utata?
Yeah. Wanginike award nje.
What?
Yes, of the best newcomer go music, you know.
Metros.
Yes, and then
Metro.
Yeah, no. Award is from Nelson Mandela Foundation.
Yes.
Yeah, and then
yo umuntu wathi no Mandela.
Yeah, and then
thina simbamba la emalini sure so.
Yeah, my partner. And then also ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngithathe award, my first award with the late Brenda Fassie.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, my first award, Metro. She was also nominated.
Yes.
And then with also Uzola, Uzola 7, you know. So those are the people nje bethe ngisho ukuthi
and legendary
at that time, you know, because I still have pictures engawakhulisa nje, you know. uMandela enginika this award and the nama metros, you know. Yeah. So iphupho lami was ukuthi manje ngiyobona uMichael Jackson. Yabo, so washeshe washiya ke emhlabeni.
Wow,
but kwaseplaniwe.
Sesobamba uChris Brown at least.
Ngifuna umdiza phezulu nami. Ngiyabona ukuthi ama artist andiza lapha. Hey, khuzani bakwethu.
Alethe umdiza.
Khuzani, kwenza kanjani ngempela?
Ubona uChris Brown ubone usister.
Umupendezi. Ngibuka nenye letujane i-future eKwaito njengamanje yabo. When we look at the track nje bade sibuka ivideo amantshintshi and I'm just thinking to myself ukuthi mhlawumbe siqale la ukuthi yipi i-favorite Kwaito song yakho from kudala nje ongathi nje like ayela kwakusetshenziswe before ngizokumsawawo uthi nje this is my favorite Kwaito song.
Mina ngiyifan ka ye-TKZ kahle kahle.
Oh, TKZ.
TKZ, I loved uTukulu.
Yeah,
uStitid by Tukulu.
Yeah.
That was my jam. Namanje mengihappy kahle, yeah.
Ngeke kuphatha. Ongaso iTKZ nake isebenzile letujane yazi yabe ibifamily angithi yazobona edeka namanye ama-out. Msawawo i-track ongathi nje mfethu favorite Kwaito song?
Sister yethu uLebo Mathosa. Yeah, yakhona ngoma ebithi gcwala. Yabona gcwala. Yeah, bengisaqala ukujiva ke lapho ke leyo ngoma ingena. So that's the song nje.
Yeah.
Even namanje bengadlala ngagibela phezulu kwaletafula.
Cishe ngathi dlale. Yeah, so the reason why ngibuza kanje ngoba ngifuna ukubheka ukuthi like Kwaito is being strong bra. Kahle before anything, before everything bazomkhumbuza noma bangikhuza abadala. There was Kwaito eMzansi. Yabo lonto. Ngiyabona lo music othanda abantu abadala umam Mere Makeba but with the vibe ingoma esivele sakhulela kuzona nje ezayihlukanisa ngisho unyaka.
Sure.
Gibela phezulu. So yonke leyo period masubuka manje is it evolving still or ishona phansi manibo?
Kahle I think ilahleka la ekuthenini abantu they represent iKwaito. Yonke lento eyenzeka la iKwaito kahle language isicamtho. Ringas yabo. Mengikhuluma iTsotsi nawe sifihle lo mlungu angathi angezwe ukuthi sikhuluma ngani. Sikhuluma iKwaito lapho yabo. The minute mina ngithi etha hola shapuzeni mfethu ugrand yabo fede
Kwaito.
Sikwaito le. So hip hop yamanje it's also Kwaito because by all Questa they are rapping ngesitsotsi Itali kahle iKwaito Itali. Ilanguage yaselokishini. Originally eyenzelwa ukufihlela amangami la ukuthi ukukhuluma ngalabantu laba yabo but manje bangajump yabo ngesikhathi zabo Brahu abo Jonina Brajo
yes
yabo. So bone kinga ye language ukuthi musu ukhuluma kanje abelungu bazothini yabo. So ba decide no asifake kwitsotsitali. That's where Kwaito came from. So iKwaito isekhona just manje abantu bayitshela ukuthi enye into kanti kusese iKwaito.
Ufika kanjani ngale question Msawa? Isa on iKwaito or you see
yazi bese ukuchazela yabona in life ayikho into engashintshi. Uyezwe ngisho. So nathi kumele sivume ukuthi in music there are different genres akhona. You understand? Ngeke ihlale igenre le wena ufike ngayo ihlale iphezulu. Uyezwe ngisho manje khona ama 2000 you know awacabanga njengathi. Uyezwe ngisho. So now if efika they are producers that were born year 2000. You understand? And they are coming with the new styles. So kumele sekuvumele nje lokho ukuthi there are new styles akhona Ntwempu iKwaito vele bayayithanda abantu abayaziyo. Understand? But if ungayazi you can't love into ongayazi. Yabo. Uthe ukhula vele ayisekho, you know. So for people our age sayithanda iKwaito but you can't force i2000 ulithanda iKwaito. Injalo nje mfethu.
Kodwa yazi into engeke ngiyibuke mawuzwa isound mawukuthi uyayazi production.
Yes.
A piano track kungahluka isound but iKwaito.
Bassline.
Even itempo and everything.
Tempo as well.
With the bassline. Bokwami.
Sekuhluka umdanso ubabona ikhona bamba ngomunye indlela.
But mawuzwa ipiano song. Kwesinye isikhathi ungakwazi ukuthi ulisheshe umatanise neKwaito because of itempo yalo islow indlela ibeat esuke ihamba ngakhona senga-edwa lawo ama-elements ke amanje ukuthi kube naleyo nto engazithi
bathi ePitori iBacardi iBacardi iDamara that's Kwaito kahle kahle mase siya deep ngempela kahle ukuthi sikhuluma the minute uslow down itempo why slow down yako 120 sekuqala iKwaito lapho because now sekumele ukhulume sikuzwe ngempela usithini abantu aba-rob music mase 125 uyakwazi ukusha amagama awu2 ngathi wenza into enkulu kanti no iziyophela ingoma yabo so mangabe uslow down the minute uslow down sekumele ucule ngempela qala lapho ke inkinga yabo so manje yenye amapiano anabuKwaito enobuKwaito kakhulu because the tempo is slowed down now yabo. What's your comfort zone when it comes to music? iKwaito or igqomo or ihouse? Now uthi ngifuna ukuba la.
No mina I believe nje bethu ukuthi any music is nice yabo. Kuya nga ukuthi at that time what's your energy? You understand? I've done songs ezinomaskande. I've done songs ezigqomo I've done yabo so ku music nje mfethu if dala waqala any music if ingoma emnandi
ithini yakhe comfort zone still
kanti ukuthi ngizokutshela thina kamuka kwenye generation thina into kuba choose ukuthi hey mina ngicela igqomo ayikho lonto ngesikhathi sethu bowufika egoli ukuthiwa uno 10 minutes uqala ubhale lapho after 10 minutes ya record makwaphela i-hour siyakhokha icompany so mangabe utrainwe ngalesa sikhathi awukwazi ukuthi hey mina ngikwazi ukungena la
ukukhetha
I've been in studio now uyazi mangabe kuqhamuka ibeats siya rapper senze into yakho yabo ukuthi ibeat liyini ukwa producer lokho mina ngihlangana mina ngenza wami umsebenzi so igqomo nalento eyenzeka manje amaskandi say appreciate thina kakhulu because represent abantu bethu
true
omaskandi abantu bethu yabo that's our people kahle they represent us yabo amaZulu we 100% behind umaskandi yabo so asikwazi ukuhlala la sithi akusiyi favorite yami into yethu
bethu manje nansi ingoma manje umaskandi anikugibele phezukwayo
njengoba uzwa namatshitshi sifake ne blend yamaskandi kancane ama elements yes
avele hlale kona amatshitshi bafethu avele hlale kona ngoba nje wade ngisho ekuqaleni ukuthi what a very nice concept because manje iyaqwashisa lo raise awareness nje ukuthi abantu besifazane kumele bayiphathe kanjani kumele bayithibe baze bashade so what was the concept behind the whole thing because manje ngathi i-feature share abanye lo bangekho la ngithi
yes
so masingakhuluma ukuthi i-feature show bani nokuthi i-concept ikhamba kanjani ngayo
i-feature uKhumz oculayo kunentwana yasemlazi eshaya vocal enenkosi phakathi yabo.
Yeah.
And then ku-produce Plan B, one of very good producers basemlazi. Yeah. So the concept was besilokhu sibuka nje izimo amantombazana ahlangabezana nazo yabona ukuthi lento man yobutshitshi ngathi kumele ibuye.
Oh yes.
Umhlanga. So that ingane zethu zingafall into this trap ama-drug use, underage pregnancy yonke leyo nto yabo. So mhlambe ukubuyela emasisweni.
Yes.
Sibuyele kule nto so nathi as ama-artist we felt mhlambe singa amplify this thing yabo.
Yes, sure.
Because into right le yobutshitshi yabo, let's make it cool.
Yeah.
So ithi thina sicule ngayo siyenze ibe cool so the nengane izokhula oh le nto le i-right kanti ukuhlala ube intombi ukuze ube mhlambe na 30 yabo akusinto wrong yabo. It's cool yabo.
Ngiyabizwa nevesi lakho lapha baba.
Sifuna ama 2000 nawo angene ebutshitshini. You know, because phela this thing le obutshitshi yakudala.
Yeah.
You understand? So lezi kanzi amapiano ayi lento aziyazi kahle. So nje siyayifaka to this new generation yabo ukuthi baqhubeke nayo. You understand?
Imnandi kakhulu. Because what ngisho ukuthi it's very touching and deep. Because manje kuyithiba abanye baze bawe noma bangabusayithiba because of yona influence of music.
Exactly.
Yabo lento noma ama clubs noma utshwala noma yini. So manje mayiqhamuka nabantu aba-influential njengathi njengani.
Siyishaya phakathi emhlangeni lapha. So siyishaya phakathi emhlangeni.
Yes.
Egcwele wonke amatshitshi.
Enye into esiyenzile masishutha le video abantu ozobabona kule video amatshitshi angempela.
Amatshitshi, yes.
Because we're trying to say wonke umuntu oyitshitshi u-right. Let's support them in the right. If umntwana wakho useyintombi you know, kudos. Asiqhubeke into right leyo. Let's support these kids abasahamba emhlanga. Into right. Let's support them. Let's love them yabo. They are part of us. And le nto le into right kakhulu yonke into kumele siqhubeke ngayo. Mokwazi ukuzithiba to that age. Mfethu.
Siyabazi bazothi abanje emza nomsawama akona amatshitshi lawa akula kule music video
amatshitshi angempela lawa
kanti we made sure ukuthi abantu abase video namatshitshi because even our art cover our art cover
ibona
lamantombazana amatshitshi angempela
I mean ngithi nje ezandleni soMovius Media for that wonderful job ye video.
Siyabonga kakhulu
that was an amazing experience even nathi Movius Media to work on that project as well. But mawukuthi uyabheka ke msawala ku concept ya amatshitshi nikephi manje mhlawumbe khona izinto enizozenza ama tours or i-radio mhlawumbe nisazoshaya i-radio tour kuhamba kanjani?
Indaba ezimnandi the song is already on radio.
Oh nice.
Yes. So iyaphuma nje nge-28 siyabala manje sibala ama-hours.
Oh 28 is in Friday.
Friday
iyadropa.
Iyadropa nje ingoma
everywhere on digital platforms. Izotholakala ingoma on iTunes,
izobe ikhona.
Spotify, everywhere uzoyithola manje.
Azobe phume ngempela
amatshitshi. Azobe phumile lokho serious.
Akukhona ukuthi aphumile amatshitshi.
No, besa sonde aphumile.
So ikhane zobephuma ke kodwa official
Friday,
And then ke mfethu we are planning a national tour. Bengithi national, I'm not mhlambe ukuthi only mhlambe ikwazi it's a tour nje zoba national, you know. Johannesburg,
Cape Town,
Mpumalanga, you know.
Eastern Cape.
And then but from bephela inyanga le we are doing a radio tour first. Radio tour and then TV tour, then masithi national tour.
Already njobe isilethu nje lapho mongasitshela ngeprocess lapho imeleke phi radio sidlalile nje badusho ukuthi already iyadlala iradio.
Siyadlala nje kuma radio nje bethu abantu abayilalele wonke ama radio.
Wonke ama radio.
Aphumile amatshitshi.
Yes. Amatshitshi aphumile. Aphumile amatshitshi.
Aphumile. Bona labavula ama radio kuphela. Yes bazozwa amatshitshi.
So uzethu njani uKhumz nimvusa phi?
Awu bese studio mina ngihlala ngise studio yabo. So bengise studio ngizwa lentwana manje ngiyamazi vele but yabona meloko ecula So kanti sinale concept lesinayo ukuthi yazi ngiyafisa manje ukwenza ingoma about amatshitshi yabo.
Yeah.
So masiloke khona yahamisha into azihamishayo ukuthi ucule ngamatshitshi kanje and it's like I can try, you know. Let me try. And yaqhubeka yaphuma ngempela ingoma.
Yeah.
Once kwaphuma ihook ke
isuke sihlangene
especially ithi sama ama-verse
yes
umsawa uzwile ushaya ivesi elihlukanisa unyaka
but ngifuna la kuwena yabo lela verse li top but when you it's like you were shaping the whole concept schooling each and everyone olalele kuwes kakhulu ku verse 2 kubona mase sechaza ukuthi ithi umuntu onjani
ichaze chichi ile ngane eziphatha kahle izishade chichi izinto lezithande chichi liyavunulo lambe nomhlanga futhi ngepride intombi into
lethe ngikhuluma ngayo and then verse 1 now ubunaleyo emphasis ukuthi nayi concept sihleli phezukwayo
ku verse 1 bekuyi wordplay kakhulu khona into engangithi ngifuna ukuyisho initially ngangifuna ukuthi but manje ngangifuna ukukhuluma ukuthi Jay-Z shoda ngo Beyonce and I was like no man I can't talk about Americans but we're trying to support our black sisters, South African sisters so let me talk about South African superstars manje ngakhuluma naye ama couples adumile la and I thought of KG no Bizizi
KG
Bizizi I don't know KG Darking waseJozi awuthi vele abangani bami so his woman his girl Bizizi so I thought of them ama couples vele abala they are South Africans so instead of putting Jay-Z no Beyonce I thought, let me talk about these guys. You know, I'm supporting their craft at the same time while ngiyarhyma yabo. So ngayicabanga kanjalo ukuthi angiyeke Jay-Z shoda the original line was Jay-Z shoda ngo Beyonce no hlangana nalabo bantu no ngayicisha KG shoda ngo Bizizi bengathola wena ngaba ibhincinci manje uyangikhipha noma uyangifaka kane ngene emotweni sambe siyopaka
bakhe abantwana then masengena mawuqeda ungene nawe ufuna kubalekile sil break it down yabo sil break it down namhlanje because vele we all about amatshitshi and then mase singena kwelakho ke lapha ngizwe usukhuluma ngamashidi ke
ufuna shawo wena
yazi ukuthi umsawa kudala sizama ukwenza ingoma
akhala ngomsawa yabona ngizoqhamuka
akali energy manje uyazi ukuthi yaphakama ingoma
kamithini ahlande
iqephesana nasilala ebusuku imali ikhona sogibele esikebheni akhala matshitshi akhala ngomsawa
lapha akhala ngempela matshitshi
njalo iqephesana
so mawubhala la nawe you were trying to ukuveza message ukuthi nawo amatshitshi la si on the concept
normally mina bengibhala nje mfethu
ufuna ukujabulisa abantu bazi ukuthi
into efikayo at that time ngiyayigibela nje mfethu yabo but into ebalele ukuthi into eyishoyo kumele ibe nesense uyangithola because ngiyawancoma amatshitshi ukuthi afake iqephezana phela bethi if uyitshitshi it doesn't mean ukuthi awusigqoke esifishane iskate
and ibona abantu abaproud kakhulu ngoba ukufike ukubona manemcimbi bevunulile ukuthi ngisho ile tujana angaphandle amabele
indlela vele besiqoka ngayo abantu bamaZulu sine pride yethu ngemizimba yethu yabo ukuthi angizohlalelwa ziphatha kahle so lisakhomba uthisha samile angelimeke babone yazi nalo munye lingasamile abone I remember those days so we trying to sizama promote this thing yobutshitshi ukuthi into right is cool yabo let's do it so ninganzethu uthi angizame nami man yazi qhubeka ngiziphathe kahle ngifuna ukuba ilo yatshitshi leya we are hoping ukuthi one day kuzoba namatshitshi famous for ubutshitshi bawo
hayi singaphumi kona amatshitshi khona into ebuye inhlanganise laba futhi ngibona ukuthi ngathi ningane ezakhulwa zizalo mama oyedwa i dance ngala i-dance ngala usanazo le spirit onaso from kudala bra sokubhaquza ayikho umuntu oyidada njengosawa
so sama mic la manje
yenza nithanda i-dance kanje
so sama mic
xoxela indaba fast at some point bengihlala ne-Big Naz endlini yabo so i-Big Naz bebehlezi bengekho ama-weekend bebebuya Sunday siyaxoxa ukuthi nihambe kanjani yabo so one day babuya baxoxa ngomsawawa yizo uMampintshi ethi shit yabo le ntwana le yabathi umsawawa ungene emva kwethu yabo hey yazi bebethi akangene before thina but umsawawa le eThekwini has been known for delivering the best performance yabo so babethi iBig Naz beyithi twa akangene before bona but daba no akangene emva kwethu yabo because bayamazi performance wise khona azofika yenze ngihamba nenye out ekuthiwa Nando's yabo
so timeni
abazivala stage
fake shumuthuli ihamba kanjani i-playlist yakho lapha i-performance uthini mawuqala lapho ufika uthi ihamba kanjani mawungamandi ukuyisherisha
no uyabona
makuthiwa uyaperforma
njengoba nama-hits amangaka
bese ngifuna ukuyizwa nje le-Shandisi namhlanje
no phela ngibaqala from ekuqaleni
ongakanani and then
mase ngithi Bhibo
iBhibo labo futhi uyayingena
mase ngithi Sodla imali senze kanje yabona
yes
so nje bethu emaningi ama-hits engineshow ukuthi bengiwadedela ano ziyakhala ziyakhala yabo but as now senza i-tour i-tour ayuzozwa baba uzozwa baba because now emza ngizofike ngithi naye art
kodwa le izandla ezandleni
izandla phezulu
yes
izandla phezulu yes
bethu
DJ Dansane nefundi M so nje kufika kakhulu mfethu
eyakhi list ihamba kanjani else because ngifuna ukuyibona ukuthi
kwenzakalani
yabo inika leyo
mina ngiphethe ingoma zala eThekwini kakhulu because my history eJozi bengisase signwe i-minor company so ingoma zaseGoli ayiduma kakhulu but mengibuya le eThekwini I did Amadada I did Ayebhiyebhu
yes
there's a song called uyithatha lento yenzayo yes so ngiyaqala lapho ngisuke ngikhuphuka ngempela la umsawula backstage lapho ngiyagena futhi i-mistake ongamele uyenze ukungena emva kwamsawawa never do that mistake lo mthita lo uyakwazi ukuphendula yonke into ukuthi ayibhekise phansi so ngihleze ngibatshela mina ngiperforma kuqala mina sengayifunda lento le angiperform emva kwenkinga so ngiyafika nje mfethu thuba uzongena kuqala ngithi mina yabo because bekwangena kuqala uzongena emgodini mfethu yabo ngiyangena ngishaya into yami bese ngimnika imic yabo naye mangiperforme kahle that day uyasho ukuthi shit
lo bastard no
Dani seyangena amatshitshi nawo phezukwayo iset manje
so ufaka amatshitshi manje inkinga manje
sivala ngawo amatshitshi
dance phela umsawawa udansa kakhulu yabo so ngisabamba i-routine okwamanje yabo
ukuthi ubamba kanjani stage
siyareheza nje
phezukwayo
and eJozi siyeza Joburg we are coming
be ready
we are coming
be ready
bafethu lapha eUvele siyazwakala eKasi lamakasi eyo Hillbro siyazwakala Hillbro in Yoveli indawo le eJozi City
anumsekhona
Times Square yasikhulele lapho vele
bangena spot on
siyabuya bafethu le ndawo entsha le bathini manje eMaboneng sahambe thina ingakabi khulu eMaboneng siyabuya manje sekuneMaboneng siyeza
Soweto ke soyishaya yonke
Soweto soyivala yonke
asoyishaya yonke Soweto
kumele le ngoma idume Ndo Fire idume wonke amakasi seSoweto yabo sibuye sithi komitrend iJozi kumele sishaye lonke ngoba la
iKZN asiyeke Pretoria
and then la iKZN sazonyuka siye ekhaya elikhulu koNongoma
Zulu land
la
la khona ke
insika ke enkabeni yayo yonke lento le kubo katshitshi
kodwa ngiyafisa
so ilontsha nje khona lapha endlunkulu
yeah.
siwabize wonke amatshitshi siwameme wonke amatshitshi from Hlabisa Lundi Mpangeni everywhere
ngiyafisa namanye ama-artist agqugquzeleke azaqale into yawo nawe yokudodisa abafana i-track nje ezokwazi ukuthi ithathe iy'nsizwa uyibeke la iy'bonise ngoba phela ibona abantu ngempela abangathi ngisho noma kuthiwa amatshitshi uyawabhekisa kodwa mayisela umfana omncane ngoru ingane abantu izinluza ubutombi mfethu ngento engekho ngoba ula ibona abantu efuneke batshele ukuthi wayinene musana ukutshela iy'ngane zabantu amanga
uyabona into okhuluma ngayo Mhliko ngeke ngathi bengichaza ukuthi kwaito iqale kanjani so the original plan vele was to talk about these things ku music wethu yabo wayithatha uhuru it's not yet uhuru yabo ukuthi asikakabi right perfect so izinto bezikhulunywa vele kodwa zikhulunywa mawulalela ingoma zikaZola eziningi lezi zinto ayikhuluma ngazo lapha ungangeboya benyathi ibutho lwakaZulu leli ufela phakathi ufela phakathi okuyibutho inkosi yamabutho induna yezinsizwa kahle kahle ufela phakathi igama layo so wena ungazwe ngathi nje kuyaculwa nje into engena sense but no these guys were talking about into yethu you are talking about ibutho lakaZulu ufela phakathi ibutho likafela phakathi ufela phakathi kwakuyinduna yezinsizwa yamabutho yabo ingakanani ingangobuya benyathi ibutho lakaZulu lelofela so we're trying to bring back that thing ukuthi music asingaculi nje ama rhymes njengena sense sesibadala manje we need to talk to these kids khulume nabo ukuthi lalela igama lethi insizwa lisho ukuthini uyindaba ubizwa ngensizwa kusho ukuthi usakumele usizwe ukuthi ube indoda usamele usizwe umuntu wesifazane right for you to become a man ukuze ube indoda kumele uqale ube insizwa umuntu osasizwa so you need to understand that kuze uzibize ngensizwa qhamuka ujongo mina nginsizwa yini insizwa yabo you can't say uyinsizwa at the same time uhlukumeza umuntu wesifazane yabo kanjani igama lethi insizwa lisho ukuthi usizwa yilo muntu lo yabona lonto so isiZulu kumele sibuye kule ntwana sikhulume naso yabo thina ngawo le kwaito yabo bayithandayo angithola
it's powerful nibizingani mfethu Msawawa ngeke ngeze ukhuluma ngefoundation
yes
Msawawa sikhona isa operate
yes akakhulu my brother into emnandi siyishaya itho then siyivala khona Msawawa sikhona siyivala khona Msawawa sikhona sesihambele zonke lezi ndawo
siyawa-ke lapho
but the problem manje bathi asiqale khona abantu
kuthiwa vele vule Msawawa
sikhona you know so sesabhizi kesihlala yes yabo kanjalo and then Msawawa Foundation ke now uyazi ukuthi deals kakhulu nokusiza iyouth nokusiza intsha ukuthuthukisa amakhono you know mfethu
mhlawumbe khona indawo nike nivashele for i-foundation ikole and everything
no what we do beqala unyaka esambela izikole sinika ama uniform icathulo you know and then khona imndeni esiyondlayo you know because fethu abantu abafani you know so mina umsebenzi wami ukuthi ngihambe ngiyocela yabo ngicela abantu abahluphekile ezitolo
sibe nokhisimuso ofanayo
so naye imndeni ukuthi you know and then njalo ngonyaka I do uChristmas weingane yes mhla 25 nje December I do uChristmas weingane lapha eKK Stadium yes so nje that event kusuke ngenwa mahala sifaka ama jumping castles ngikhulume nezitolo siletha ama presents sinike izingane
that's amazing
so nje bethu this foundation is all about giving back to umphakathi nentsha and then ke sibhizi manje no Emza sihlele esibili ke manje foundation yawo amatshitshi yes ukuthi if uyitshitshi udinga usizo kumele ukhulume nathi injalo nje
Chichi Foundation ubizingani Emza bra like as Emza nje
abantu abanye bake bangibona ngihambele izikole eMlazi last besinawe eMgaga so we're doing yona le foundation yokukhuluma nezingane zamantombazane because we felt ukuthi as much as sifocus kakhulu kwezinsizweni yabo but now amantombazane we need to sit down and talk to them mhlambe find out ukuthi yini inkinga kahle kahle yabo why seniphuza kangaka bafethu yini inkinga yenzakalani so we decided ngihamba I think now ukhona kuleyo lento uzana sihamba nawe sivakashile izikole we doing ungachaza nawe okunye sikwenzayo ezikoleni. But mina ngingena ngokuthi ngifuna ukukhuluma namatshitshi.
Yes.
Yeah, kakhulu ukuthi let's promote this thing ukuba ukuzithiba. Yabona uziphathe kahle. Sihamba senza leyo nto leyo siyaqhubeka nakhona sanokha kweminye iminyango ukuthi asithole support, sithole usizo sokwazi ukuthi silekelele le ingane lezi eziziphatha kahle yabona zenza lento obutshitshi ukuthi asiqhubekeni sipromote this thing. Yabo.
Ukhona umntwana unayo umntwana?
Mina nginabafana
Abafana
abawu-2.
Umsawa ngikuzwile ngizofika ububhizi ngamarekodi.
Yeah. Number 2
abafana.
Yeah.
Hey nizele insizwe.
Impi yodwa. Impi yodwa.
Hey that's nice bafethu. Mhlawumbe in closing amazwi nje akhaliphile singabapha wona before si perform le ngoma emnandi kakhulu ethi amatshitshi. Mhlawumbe bazoqala amazwi nje akhaliphile engakwazi ukuthi niwaphe i-youth out there. Phela nathi sineyingane sinabantu abasibukele njengamanje. Mhlawumbe bayanizwa lenxoxo so anikhulume nabo.
Ikhona nje uku-emphasize kulento ukuziphatha kahle. Bafethu lento yotshwala nani it's cool to abantu abakufanele ukuphuza yabo. Mawusemncane musujaha izinto zabantu abadala yabo. Ungajahi lento uhlanganisa isikole notshwala angeke uze kulunge konke. Kuzophasa ogodwa either uzohamba ama-club kodwa esikoleni uzofeyila. So kumele wazi push isikole uqede then usungaqala ke okunye yabo. Mawufuna ukuba ufana no Lemo Mathos bakufunda labantu baqede isikole then they did their thing yabo. Wabo bonke kahle abantu babona manje ku TV. You go to school, finish school, uqede into oyiqalayo yabo. Then usungajumpela okunye. Mawuzohlanganisa alcohol nalokho ngeke uzokuhlangana yabo. Naleyo kukhulelwa ke asiziphatheni kahle bafethu. Asiziphatheni kahle. Amantombazana. Yaba.
Wakhuluma njengobaba.
Ngiyavikeleka ngisho ukukhulelwa khona ama-condom njengamanje ukuze manje yabo ungabi nenkinga eziningi like serious ngicabanga ukuthi izinto kufanele sikhulume
ngazo lezi zinto.
And si example kakhulukazi masima platform manje ngala kufanele sikwazi ukumotivate abantu babone ukuthi ngempela nje bahleli la sizama ukuthi sikhulise future yengane yabo youth. So amazwi okuvala bafu.
Yazi manje into engihlekisayo. If we artist yabona nje ufaka izibuko njengathi. Yabo batshela ukuthi yabona laba bayaphuza laba. Kanti you won't believe yabo. Masuhleli nathi umangala hawo. Baphuza ijuice.
Banama families labantu.
Sawa no Emza baphuza ijuice. Kuze you know. Ukuthi abantu bethu if we artist they take ukuthi nawe udlala izinto ezidliwa amanye ama-artist you know because esekudumile ukuthi if we artist nidla ukuthi anilali you know kanje mina for me nje bethu ukuthi if une talent ufeel ukuthi there's something ofuna ukuyenza believe in yourself you know ungezwa ngomuntu ukuthi hayi wena uyaphetha ukwazi ukudansa you know try harder nje mfethu and then isikole sibaluleke kakhulu isikole you know ngeke ukuthi because uyacula usuzoyeka isikole you know ugijima uye egoli uyocula you know nathi we went to Joburg but saqhubeka nesikole sabaqeda o-matric you know mina ke ngaqeda ama-matric and then I came back to Durban kwayima ngivula ibhizinisi you know elizokwazi ukuthi lingi sustain you know if mhlawumbe kubheda ku-music ngazi ukuthi there's something to fall back into you know ilokho nje my brother.
Ungahlulwa umsawa umuntu obeperforma every weekend emncane 7 years uyaperforma every weekend kodwa still waqeda u-matric. So uhlulwa yini uyingane yabo ubheke nesikole kuphela yekana abafana ngizobathola after e-university wafica benqaba abafana beshaya ama-hairstyle lezinto lezi yabo
yabalekile futhi ukuthi ke
ngisho university ungazi uyosebenza mawungabi ready awubi ready
focus into oyenzayo.
Into ebalekile futhi ukuthi ke wonke amajiji manje abhekile la kumele asubscribe. Yonke ebalekile leyo.
Download ingoma ngomhla ka-28 le ngoma amajiji ayingoma yenu yakuseyethu thina sewona amajiji le ngoma yenu majiji.
I can't wait ukuthi ngizwe nami ingoma ngoba ngiyayazi vele kodwa indlela emnandi ngayo yoke kuphambana izicathulo.
Yes.
Ngiyakutshela indlela emnandi ngayo.